Hey everybody, I'm Mark Denham from the Outdoorsmans, and today I want to go over the installation of the brand new NL stud. The first step to installing the NL stud is going to be removing the existing cap. To do so, you are going to need a flathead screwdriver of some sort or just a flat kind of sharp object, and you're going to take it on the underside of this binocular and wedge it in between the cap there and the body of the binocular. Don't worry, this cap is removable. It's not going to break anything by doing so. It just pops off just like that. The next step is going to be removing the existing cap inside of the binocular. To do so, you will need your T20 Torx Head. You can use that with just a regular wrench. I've got it installed on our torque driver here. We're just going to go ahead. It should unscrew very easily. Unscrew that, and it should just pop out just like that. The next step is going to be actually applying the Loctite, the included Loctite that will be in the package with your NL stud to the stud. And when we do that, we want to make sure that we get all of the threads covered, but we don't want any excess around the stud. So we suggest just applying it to your finger on the side there. And while you do it, just kind of wipe it onto the threads and rotate and make sure it gets all the way around. And then when you're done, get it all the way around there. Just keep rotating it. When you're done, you can kind of wipe away the excess. And then take your finger again and flatten all of that out on there. So all you're going to do is just take your finger and you're just going to make sure that the only Loctite that is being applied to the stud is actually inside of the threads. We don't want any on this face right here. We only want it inside the threads. So once you're done with that, right there, you can wipe away the excess again. And then you can take your 5/32 Allen head and go ahead and install it onto the binocular. And when you do this, it's not really a suggestion. This is kind of mandatory that you keep this stud at 20 inch-pounds. Not tight at all. Let that roll over. Do it one more time for good measure. And you're all set. And now you can easily mount your brand new NL binoculars to any tripod using the Outdoorsman's binocular adapter. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-291-8065 or visit us online at outdoorsmans.com.